A Greek proverb states, "One cannot reason with a hungry belly, it has no ears." The proverb eloquently suggests that a hungry person cannot focus on anything but his hunger. Hunger motivation, the urge to get and eat food, is the most powerful one. Hello everyone, I am Shivasan. Welcome to my channel Maanasam. We humans frequently search for motives. Our behavioral processes are activated by various motives. Some motives are largely biological needs such as hunger, thirst and excretion. Others are primarily social motives such as the need for achievement, affiliation and nurturance. Today we will explore one of the human motives, hunger, the nature's strongest motivator. If you ever had the experience of going without food for even a single day, you know how strong the feeling of hunger can be and what a powerful source of motivation it can provide. But where do such feelings come from? And how do we manage to control the amount of food we eat? Why do many people have a fairly stable weight for a long time, while others lose the battle of bulge quickly? Satisfying hunger is one of our prime motives. The eating habits of people today have become a major concern and a frequent topic of news programs, talk shows and scientific research. There are countless pills, supplements and treatments available to help people eat less and others eat more. Of course, we must eat to live. The biochemical processes which sustain life get their energy and chemical substances from food. Thus, in a sense, hunger is a primary, basic motive necessary for life. What activates hunger motivation and what stops it? How food intake is regulated? The answers to these questions are not simple because hunger drive and eating are influenced by many factors. Several internal factors trigger hunger and eating. For example, contractions of the empty stomach are partly responsible for the subjective experience of hunger. The hypothalamus and several body chemicals also play an important role and regulates eating and other motivational behavior. One factor in hunger seems to be the insulin response that occurs after we begin to eat. Insulin and glucagon are hormones that are secreted by the pancreas to control the levels of fat, proteins and carbohydrates in the whole body, including glucose, the blood sugar. Insulin reduces the level of glucose in the bloodstream, whereas glucagon increases the level. Insulin, normally released in greater amounts after eating has begun, causes a feeling of more hunger because of drop in blood sugar levels. In recent years, a hormone called leptin has been identified as one of the factors that seems to control the appetite. When released into the bloodstream, leptin signals the hypothalamus that the body has enough food, reduce appetite and increase the feeling of being full or satiated. The stomach and the pancreas are the two of the body parts involved in hunger. The role of the hypothalamus in controlling many kinds of motivational stimuli, including hunger, was seen as a result of its influence on the pituitary. But the hypothalamus itself has different areas controlled by the level of glucose and insulin in the body, which appears to control eating behavior. The sight of the food too is important. Foods that are attractive in appearance are hard to resist and may overwhelm the regulatory mechanisms, leading us to overeat. Cultural factors also play an important role in determining what, when and how much we eat. Depending on the culture in which you have been raised, the thoughts of various items may induce hunger panges or feelings of disgust. Although hunger and food influences our physiology, our eating habits are also determined by other factors. Obviously, the taste of food influences how much we eat. We also learn food preferences in our culture. Another important external factor is the social situation in which we eat. For example, we typically eat more in the company of others than we eat alone. We'll meet you with another burst of life stimulating videos. So please stay tuned. If not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe, like and share with all your dear and near ones. Thanks a lot.